This is the living room vent. You either have to keep it open all year long or closed, because there's no groove cut into the drywall behind this faceplate, register plate, for it to move freely to open and close. So the maintenance guy had to come up here and either have it open or have it closed, fix it so it could be closed. So at the time it was in the summertime, I think, or the winter time, and I needed heat. And I asked that it be open instead of closed, because no other part of the place, there's no other register for heat or air to come out of. This one heats the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, and possibly the hallway. Yeah. What is that? Are these flies coming out of here? A lot of flies in here. Don't know where they're coming from. Haven't found out. And this is near the window. The living room window. Yeah, the government got taken for this. District government, federal government, and the people are supposed to serve. Most of them in here don't know nothing. Let's see how it gets hazy at times. It's like a haze. I don't see any air blowing out of here. Let me see the one over here. I think that's it. And then let's look at this. Oh, look how dirty the vent is. Oh, Lord. That's terrible. This is awful. It's a disgrace. It's almost some affordable housing. This shit is expensive. I hear a fly buzzing. Let's see if this moving. Yep, it's moving a little. There's air coming in from somewhere. Look how it's just turning. It's air. There's a crack in the wall over here. And that's the only place I can think of where air may be coming in. That's the ceiling. And this is where all the problem is, where the water leaks. So if water can get in, I'm quite sure air can get in as well. Because air is lighter than water. And they haven't really came up here and fixed this. They sent the maintenance guy. Who's not a floor repairer or floor specialist or even an inspector.